What's for dinner? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Can you help me chop these vegetables? Can you help me chop these vegetables? Can you help me chop these vegetables? Can you set the table? Can you set the table? Can you set the table? What temperature do we bake this at? What temperature do we bake this at? What temperature do we bake this at? Can you open this jar for me? Can you open this jar for me? Can you open this jar for me? What's the recipe for this dish? What's the recipe for this dish? What's the recipe for this dish? Can you stir this for me? Can you stir this for me? Can you stir this for me? Can you hand me a spoon? Can you hand me a spoon? Can you hand me a spoon? What's the cooking time for this? What's the cooking time for this? What's the cooking time for this? Do we need to add more oil? Do we need to add more oil? Do we need to add more oil? Can you turn off the stove? Can you turn off the stove? Can you turn off the stove? Can you bring me a plate? Can you bring me a plate? Can you bring me a plate? Can you cut this into smaller pieces? Can you cut this into smaller pieces? Can you cut this into smaller pieces? Do you know where the cutting board is? Do you know where the cutting board is? Do you know where the cutting board is? Can you turn down, up the heat? Can you turn down, up the heat? Can you turn down, up the heat? Can you add some more spices? Can you add some more spices? Can you add some more spices? Is this done yet? Is this done yet? Is this done yet? Can you get me a glass of water? Can you get me a glass of water? Can you get me a glass of water? Can you slice this for me? Can you slice this for me? Can you slice this for me? Can you shred this for me? Can you shred this for me? Can you shred this for me? Can you pass me the pepper? Can you pass me the pepper? Can you pass me the pepper? How long do we cook this for? How long do we cook this for? How long do we cook this for? Do you need any help cleaning up? Do you need any help cleaning up? Do you need any help cleaning up? Can you taste this and tell me if it needs more seasoning? Can you taste this and tell me if it needs more seasoning? Can you taste this and tell me if it needs more seasoning?